Guys, I wrote a song from the perspective of Bollywood. I play Bollywood in the song. The song goes like this. When I find myself in times of trouble, Salman Bhai comes to me, speaking words of wisdom, no matra bhumi. Hello and welcome to another episode of Pop Competition. My name is Natasha Kajor Bhai. And that was an awesome intro,
Bro,
right?
awesome. I agree.
It's the only case in which Salman Bhai is speaking words of wisdom.
Excuse me? You think Salman Bhai lacks wisdom?
I didn't say that.
Have you seen his tweets?
No, his words. His words.
it go, yaar.
Let it go,
yaar. Zinta's team won kya?
Welcome, guys. A lot to talk about. Salman Khan, big Salman news.
Yes.
Big Amir news. Big Ranveer Singh news.
Yes.
The
Yeah.
Ranveer Singh news, okay.
Yeah.
Why?
He
Apparently.
Yeah, okay, we'll talk about it. What
paid
else?
back.
Oh, big Rajkumar Rao, Sania Malhotra, Archana Puran Singh, Farah Khan news. Along with Abhishek Banerjee news.
Yes.
Yeah.
Because there's a movie out with starring all of them. Toaster. Which of these awesome news stories?
By the way, we should
you wanna
show
talk
this to our
Oh, yeah.
fans.
So I should say-
and ask them how many of them get this joke.
So I was thinking, like, I had prepared, like, you know how sometimes we'll write like shit on this
Yeah.
chalkboard.
Hmm.
Okay, and
Shit
does
नहीं है, मतलब
anyone
ऐसे
understand
funny
this
jokes
joke?
लिखते हैं, हाँ.
Toaster, I barely knew her. Does anyone get that?
I mean, we did.
Emo joke. These guys had no idea. So I don't know how many people will get it. Hopefully someone does. Please हमदर्दी के लिए comment below.
मुझे लगा हम दिल दे चुके सनम बोलने वाला है अभी क्योंकि सलमान की बात तो स्टार्ट हो ही गई थी.
Yes, chalo, fair enough. Let's go then.
Yes.
Guys, the big story, according to me, the biggest story this week is that Amir Khan is got a. This is a rumor or news story. I'm not sure. Okay, because the news going around, the news rounds going around, is that Amir Khan is gonna be acting in or starring in an Ashneer Grover
Biopic, yes.
made on the life of Ashneer Grover based on the book that he has written called Doglapan. Now you know who Ashneer Grover. In case you know, sometimes what happens is you'll hear the name and like, हाँ कौन था यार?
Shark Tank.
Shark Tank वाला.
Shark Tank guy. That happens.
Yes.
That happens to me all the time. So apparently Amir will be playing Ashneer, which height-wise, fine. That applies, dude.
but on the credibility of the news, I would
Yeah.
like to quote
the one, the only.
the only KRK
Kamal or Khan.
जिन्होंने ट्वीट किया है.
ये ये लुक्खे को ये भी नहीं पता.
And I quote,
That's KRK, not me. Huh?
finally, I asked Amir Khan about Ashneer Grover's biography film.
What on call? कुछ बोला?
ये नहीं
Not
पता. It's mode of communication.
Yeah,
नहीं
it's
है.
he
Well, he
knows
asked the
how
ether.
he knows how
He's
to
like, yeah.
get
You
his
know how
message
you
across.
You ask Khuda a few
Yeah,
things.
he summoned
asked
Amir Khan.
Yeah,
He
correct.
पिजन भेजा होगा, हमें नहीं
हाँ,
पता.
हमें क्या पता.
Yeah.
ठीक है. And Amir replied, he replied, KRK, do you think that even I will meet such a person? Forget to do his biography? Question mark. अब ये यहाँ पे
I think
question.
Amir misunderstood the question. He thought KRK अपनी बायोपिक की बात कर रहा है. And I was like, हो गया, मैं तेरे को टाइम दूंगा.
Then he goes, and then KRK, अब यहाँ पे आमिर का ट्वीट खत्म है. अब
Okay.
यहाँ पे ओपिनियन है.
ओहो KRK opinion.
KRK opinion.
Hashtag.
Means Grover is planting a fake news in today's band media to get a little publicity.
भंड मीडिया.
भांड whatever.
बैंड मीडिया.
नहीं, इसने
भांड,
भांड
भांड।
लिखा भाई.
BHAAN.
हाँ, 2 बार है.
भांड. Okay.
हाँ.
He has no idea. Is it भंड? Is it भांग? What is it?
He must have been banned.
Yeah, bhand or bhang. Exactly right. So this nobody. I think it's actually literally that. What he's saying.
Haan,
You know,
same.
actually, KRK, we troll him a lot, and he gets trolled a lot. A lot of his comments troll him. It's what it is. But you know, I'm not even kidding. A lot of the news sources that he has or news that he gets are actually right.
वो eventually सही prove हो जाती हैं.
Approve का पता नहीं. He's not
मतलब
some
ऐसे-
Alex Jones of the Bollywood space or something. But yeah, the news sources somehow whatever he gets. Because he's going straight to the source. Amir Khan को बात कर रहा है. Like,
Hey Amir.
आमिर आपको अश्लील ग्रोवर के बारे में क्या कहना? There goes our Shark Tank sponsorship. Shark Tank and Bharat.
Bro, also I don't think Shark Tank people also like.
At this point, they
I mean,
don't.
he doesn't do it anymore, right?
Yeah,
वो
let
only
go.
पहला show किया था.
Only first season.
I had the opportunity to have like a conversation with Anupam Mittal, once.
कहाँ पे था ये?
Pink Villa.
हाँ, you did that.
Yeah. तो मैंने वहाँ पे एक
How
rapid.
was Anupam Mittal as a person?
Dude, very fun.
Yeah?
Very fun. One
Really?
of the chillest person that I've
Dude,
met
I must say
when it comes to celebrities.
On Shark Tank also, I think he's one of the most well spoken in the sense.
Yeah.
When he makes a point, I understand the logic of what he's saying in terms of that business.
He's
usually.
so funny.
He is?
He's so witty.
Oh, wow.
So we were having this conversation and बीच में एक कट हुआ because हमें ग्राउंड फ्लोर से फर्स्ट फ्लोर पे जाना था.
Okay.
So the person, like one of his team members, he goes कि अरे सर आज तो आप मस्त फनी एकदम टोन में हो, आज तो आप कुछ सीरियस बात नहीं कर रहे. एंड देन ही सेज ये पिंक विला वाले भी तो देख एक जोकर पकड़ के लेकर आए.
Nice. He said as a joke, right?
इतना खुश हो गया स्नेल अपनी
मेरे को
रोस्टिंग
जोकर बुलाया. अनुपम मित्तल.
He goes, जैसा बंदा लाएंगे इंटरव्यू करने के लिए वैसा ही बन जाऊंगा मैं अभी. मैंने
This video is on available
And
online.
Sane was
right?
like, Joker, I barely know her. Now you get what the joke. Now you get the thing.
तो उस पे लास्ट में हमारा सेगमेंट था रैपिड फायर एंड द वन ऑफ द क्वेश्चन वाज कि आप लाइक से व्हाटएवर फर्स्ट थॉट इन योर माइंड व्हेन यू हियर द फॉलोइंग.
Oh, so you
Right.
said Ashir
Ashir
Grover?
Grover, and he said next question.
Oh, you said Ashir Grover. He's
Ooh.
like, Grover, I barely know her.
Jeez.
Grover, I'm more like a shower.
I own a Range Rover.
So stupid. Sorry, guys. But that's awesome, man. Like,
Yeah.
Anupam Mittal, I'm actually a fan of, I would say.
I agree. Maybe.
We are sober guys. We are not. We haven't taken any.
We've just had a lot of caffeine though.
Yeah, just
Yeah.
right now, 5
Yeah.
minutes. we rushed down. Guys, again, we have to specify, okay? We do always start at midnight.
Yes, that
It is what it is.
true. हम आ जल्दी जाते हैं.
Yeah.
8 साढ़े
8 बजे से
8 बजे से
ready
बैठे हैं.
करके ready करके बैठा है, पता है?
पर हमारा शगुन 12 बजे ही होता है.
हाँ.
Correct. So Salman.
मुहूर्त, sorry, not शगुन. शगुन,
Sorry.
मुहूर्त, whatever, sorry.
Whatever, यार. Abbas, no worries.
So in case this Ashir Amir project does happen, firstly, when you guys heard this news, were you incredulous? Were you like?
I was like, no way.
I was like, no way, also,
Yeah.
right? But then I heard multiple sources, or read multiple sources quoting this news.
भाई फैलाई गई न्यूज़ थी. There is no way Amir's next project after Sitare Zameen Par is Ashir Grover biopic.
Bro, but to be honest, when I heard of Sitare Zameen Par for the first time also, I thought it's a fake news.
That's also
because
fair.
I'm like, why would he jeopardize a movie he's already made by making a sequel or a remake kind of thing?
But do you think Sitare Zameen Par was that bad कि jeopardize कर दिया?
बाद में फिर when it came out, okay, actually doing the movie like this, and I was like, okay, whatever. But तो I mean, Amir is weird, so he might be.
So Amir
He's also doing 3 Idiots 2, but then he's also doing
He's
this.
not.
I don't know what
3
word.
Idiots 2 का कुछ तो मैंने
Raj,
सुना है।
hasn't Rajkumar
Buzz-
Hirani
completely
said.
3 Idiots?
Buzz आई थी
Definitely
but I
it is.
think R Madhavan ने एकदम ही shut down कर दिया सारे. It was like not happening. It
That's
would be
fair.
stupid.
Yeah, that's
to
fair. Like if you're doing it just for the sake of it, in the sense,
Cash grab के जैसा
then
franchise.
get new 3 people.
Yeah.
If you're doing it just as like नाम का sequel. But if you're doing it because wasn't there like no, I've heard Raju Rani say this. Like,
Yeah,
he has a
even
story
I've
in
heard
mind.
Raju
He said
Hirani.
he has
The
a story in
continuation of
mind
this.
for 3 Idiots 2, has a story in mind for मुन्ना भाई 3. मुन्ना भाई 3 के लिए तो इसलिए कि मेरे पास 4 स्क्रिप्ट पड़ी हैं, मैं उनमें से कुछ एक बनाना चाहूंगा. बट वो नहीं बन रहा है ना भाई. कोई अब फिर वो डंकी बना दे रहा है. क्या करे ना फिर उस चीज का.
But bro, like he and Vidhu Vinod Chopra need to get back together, dude. They need.
Yeah,
to.
true.
I would love that. Like that's something that I would get hyped for even more. Just because the fact that they're back and could be making magic together again, I would be totally down for that, man.
अभी विनोद चोपड़ा ने क्या बनाया था जो उसकी बहुत तारीफ हुई थी?
12th Fail.
12th Fail. Yes, 12th Fail.
His favorite movie of his favorite actor.
Vikrant Masse.
Vikrant Masse, bro.
Mr. Masse.
Vikrant Masse.
Mr. Fail.
But my thing is,
मेरे पापा ने अभी ओ रोमियो आई ना OTT पे,
हाँ.
तो पापा ने ओ रोमियो देखी एंड मैंने ऐसे ही पूछा, मैंने कहा कैसी लगी? थर्ड क्लास पिक्चर. मैंने कहा क्यों इतनी खराब? कह रहे वो सब छोड़ो, विक्रांत मसीह को कुत्ते ने काटा है, क्यों करने आया था वो ये रोल? 2 सीन का आया, मार खा के चला गया. इतना बढ़िया एक्टर है,
you'll
ये
get
करने आया था.
along. You'll get along with his dad really well.
Yeah,
Both
dude.
of
That's
you
why I
are.
didn't watch Oromio, man. Like,
You haven't watched ओ रोमियो?
no.
I also haven't watched.
Yeah.
अच्छा तभी रिएक्शन नहीं मिला मुझे.
Why
Fuck.
तो?
वही
I'm
ना.
like, यार मैं विक्रांत मासे
It bombed like this toaster joke.
अच्छा ठीक है.
But my thing is, Ashir Grover is known for his like वो चंट आदमी है ना बहुत, कि ये कैसे करके अपना जहाँ तक पहुंचा है. I think if it's an official remake, certified by him, then obviously they won't show the controversial bits of his life.
Yeah, of course. देख ली माइकल देखी आपने?
नहीं, पर सुना है मैंने वही के बहुत अच्छा था, बच्चों के साथ बहुत अच्छे से बर्ताव करता था माइकल, नाचता था, गाता था, घर चला जाता था
बच्चों को लेके।
और 1989 के बाद तो फिर कुछ हुआ ही नहीं,
कहता ही नहीं भाई।
But when I first heard the news, like I have no idea what the book is about. I imagine it's about his rise and whatever through the corporate structure and all, right? Like Doglapan. I first thought ki, oh, it sounds like a weird news, but what if they throw like a curveball at us and they're like, you know how 3 Idiots was like breaking down the education system and the problems of the education system, like maybe breaking down the problems of the corporate world and what people have to do.
Possible,
a comedy in that, a Raju Irani comedy in that. I would actually
अगर ये मूवी सच में बन रही है तो I think this will go the nationalistic route कि ये इंडिया का UPI types.
Oh,
true, yeah.
Like that is more probable than
digitize
this.
India.
Yeah, like
oh, you mean इस मूवी में भी monetization के
फायदे दिखाए जाएंगे, फायदे of course.
But do you think this is
इस लाइन की वजह से हम अपने थंबनेल में धुरंधर डाल देंगे?
करेक्ट, धुरंधर पाकिस्तान में चल रहा था और इंडिया में दोगलापन चल रहा था.
Do you think this is Ashnir Grover getting back because he was insulted by Salman on air? So he's like, now I'm going to use Amir to get back at Salman.
Oh, and now third खान के साथ क्या करेगा?
एक सेकंड भाई, लोग बिश्नोई को नहीं यूज कर पा रहे to get back at Salman. इसको लग रहा है मैं आमिर को यूज करके I'll get back at Salman.
But I get what you're saying. It's like the equivalency, right? Like एक ने मेरे को खराब बुरा बोल दिया, तो एक मेरे को अच्छा भला बोल रहा है. तो अब you know, तो balance
it out. It's possible Amir finds Ashnir Grover interesting. क्योंकि वो ऐसे बात करता है ना, ऐसे बात करेगा तो आमिर भी ऐसे बात करेगा तो दोगलापन हो जाएगा.
नहीं, आमिर तो ऐसे पर मैं उन्हों कहना चाहता हूँ.
Guys, there's this so Ashnir Grover was on, I just came across a reel, okay, where Ashnir Grover was on Roadies audition.
Roadies audition? Okay.
Yeah, he was one of those.
He was taking auditions or he was giving auditions?
Yeah, so I don't know. No.
Because both is possible at this point.
मैं रोडीज बनना चाहता हूँ, रोडीज.
He was taking, I think this was the audition round.
Okay.
Oh bro, no, this is not Roadies. This is
It's a parody or?
No, this is a show that they had sanctioned. This was not Roadies. मतलब मुझे नहीं
Prince
पता.
Cyrus पे रोडीज ही होगा यार.
Cyrus पे?
नहीं, रोडीज Prince था.
Prince?
Yeah.
ये नरूला वाला.
नरूला. So I'm talking about something different.
अच्छा, okay, ठीक है.
So whatever. Okay, the reel is basically he's talking to, you know, like Roadies does this thing where they get 2 contestants together and then only one of them will actually go through, but very often they get both of them in.
Okay.
हमें तो पता ही नहीं है. केन और अंडरटेकर भाई हैं.
Correct. Yeah, exactly. So one girl and one guy, okay, and are the interviewees, if you would. And Ashnir Grover was one of the like panel judges, and they have like a
Who are
guest
the
judge.
others?
Prince Narula, I think Ranveer was there.
Not Raghu and Rajiv.
Not
रघु राजीव ने तो छोड़ दिया भाई अपने.
ठीक है.
Well after that.
Okay.
I think Neha Dhupia was there.
Okay.
हाँ, फिर तो Roadies, of
recent
course,
one,
because
Yeah, I know,
it's her choice. Yeah.
So anyway,
Right.
yeah, it is, dude. It is.
Sorry.
What the dude? You know you have to cut that, right?
Why?
You get a lot of hate.
It's fine. नेहा धूपिया के लिए hate कौन कर रहा है?
No,
अरे
it's her choice के लिए.
अरे I am not saying whether she was right or wrong. I'm just quoting a
fine.
meme.
Okay,
It's
that's
fine.
Yeah.
Then cut out my.
No, keep all this.
सबको पता चलना चाहिए कि हम लोग कितना overthink करते हैं.
Yeah. So anyway. So the reel is basically Ashnir talking to the girl,
Contestant,
and to the contestant, and saying कि तो तू क्या करती है? वो बोलती है कि मैं CA हूँ और accounting सीख रही है, ऐसे कुछ तो बोलती है, like within the finance space. Okay, so he's like, अच्छा तो तेरे को तो आता है ना? तो ये बता, एक कोई स्टॉक है मार्केट में जो अपने मार्केट वैल्यू से, अपने जो उसकी जो वैल्यू थी उससे 90% गिर चुका, नहीं उससे 80% गिर चुका है. ओके, नाउ उसके बाद वो 90% और गिर जाता है. तो अब कितना परसेंट हुआ? बाकी कितना 80 और 90 के बीच में परसेंटेज कितना चेंज हुआ? कितना चेंज हुआ? ओके,
इसका रोडीज से क्या लेना देना?
He's just trying to like whatever. Okay,
ठीक है.
so now the woman immediately says, मेरा stocks, I don't know much about stocks and all. ठीक है, तो बंदा जो उसके बाजू में है ना, वो करने लगता है कि वो मेरे को आता है. जो बड़ा अच्छा मैच कर रहा है. मैं भी सोच रहा हूँ कि रील देखते थे
वो ऐसा अबैकस
वो अच्छा मैच कर रहा है. मैं भी लाइक हाँ. ओके, एंड देन ही सेज एन आंसर एंड Ashnir was like गलत. ओके, all the guests, all the hosts, okay, the panel of judges, they pan the camera to everyone. Everyone's like, huh? That was wrong. Nobody has any idea. This guy, तुम्हें तो आना चाहिए. The guests, all the judges are like, thank God, मेरे से नहीं पूछ रहा. It's no idea.
और आंसर था क्या?
Answer is actually.
वो अश्नीर को भी नहीं पता था.
अब मैं भी भूल गया. But I think
he just wanted to.
I think
Wouldn't it be 10%,
80 or 90% के बीच में से in that fall 50% गिरता है. That's the answer. Figure that out.
इसलिए मैं स्टॉक मार्केट में नहीं हूँ.
उनके बीच में क्या है? उनके बीच में
देखना
वो लंदन
80% गिरा, फिर जो 80% ड्रॉप था 20% उसका 90% गिरा.
वो अच्छा वैसे.
ऐसे कुछ तो है, समझ लो. मेरे को नहीं.
भाई मैं कह रहा हूँ सलमान के बारे में बात.
हाँ, ये सीन होना चाहिए था बायोपिक में.
Also don't take my answer. Watch that reel and whatever Ashnir's answer is probably also wrong. I don't know. There was no right answer, guys.
Do you think someone will send this portion to Ashnir Grover?
So what will happen? You think he'll ask
What
one
if
of us to be in his
sues
biopic?
आपको
ये दोगले लोग मिल गए.
Anyway, should the movie be made?
No.
Should the movie be made?
Man, so the gut instinct is to say no. But
I want to see it. I want to see Amir.
thing is like, yeah,
Why there are enough
is-
things that
See, the thing
we can see.
the
Please.
thing is correct. You're absolutely
Please.
right. The thing is, this is such hatke news.
तो
Nobody
भाई,
expected
ये
this.
सोनी लिव को बनाने दो फिर.
Correct. That and also the thing is, they shouldn't have. If it is actually in the works or there's talks about it, they shouldn't have made it public by whatever means. Let it be, come out of left field when the trailer or teaser
भाई
comes out.
वैसे ऑनेस्टली आप सही कह रहे हो. अगर लॉरेंस बिश्नोई पे बायोपिक बन सकती है तो अश्लील ग्रोवर भी बन सकती
लॉरेंस
है.
बिश्नोई पे बन रही है.
हाँ जी पे है ना.
जी पे है.
हाँ
क्या नाम है पिक्चर?
बिश्नोई सीरीज है पता नहीं फिल्म है.
Should have been
It's
Lawrence.
like a docu-drama or fictional?
आई थिंक इट्स फिक्शन. मैंने देखी नहीं है बट मैंने अभी Z5 खोला था तो लिखा हुआ है बिश्नोई. मैंने कहा भाई क्या चल रहा है.
Lawrence and Bishnoi. Like Lawrence and Bishnoi. Okay, that's the Amir news. Before we move on to the Salman,
The important part of the episode.
Yeah, guys,
Before we move on.
You gotta, you know what you have to do, right?
Yes.
Firstly, or you can't watch the rest of the episode if you don't like and subscribe and comment below.
ऐसे बंद नहीं हो जाएगा वीडियो. हाँ, मतलब
नहीं. There'll
चलता
be a black
रहेगा.
screen, and if you don't subscribe, you'll see that black screen entirely. Oh, you have subscribed. That's why you can watch the rest of the episode. check कर लो. I'm not lying, dude. I'm not lying.
I think ऑडियंस को टारगेट देते हैं ना. ऐसा बोलते हैं कि इतने टाइम तक इतना सब्सक्राइबर हो जाना
स्नेल का
चाहिए.
सर यहाँ पे.
हमको 5000 पहुंचना है ना.
5000 पहुंचना है. अभी हम कितने पे हैं? रुको 4800 पे हैं हम लोग अभी.
नहीं 6000 बोलते हैं भाई. 6000
6000 तक पहुंचा दो यार.
6000 पहुंचा दो.
अच्छा 4 अभी as we are recording we are at 4815. This episode comes out on the 25th or the 26th of April. 15th May तक.
भाई ये बहुत ज्यादा
कर दो.
है.
15
confusing. I'm saying
15-20 दिन दे रहा है इनको.
20 दिन में 1000 सब्सक्राइबर नहीं बढ़ सकते भाई. बढ़
1000 नहीं, अगर 5000 पहुंचते तो कुछ 200 ही हुए ना.
हाँ 200 यार 200 सब्सक्राइबर तो बढ़ सकते हैं यार.
नहीं, वो तो
15
बढ़ ही
दिन
सकते
में.
हैं. But I'm saying कि then let's go 10,000.
इतना मत कर. इतना अश्लील मत बन. और ना वो बोलेगा ओ बड़ा बढ़िया है.
Guys 15th May 5000
Yeah,
subscribers.
Otherwise, yeah. What are we doing otherwise?
Nothing.
Otherwise,
We'll keep doing the show either way.
no, we will stop the show. We'll stop it.
We were very
We'll
tempted. 1 hour ago we were very tempted.
If we don't reach 5000 subscribers by 15th May, we'll do one entire episode in the voice of Ashnir Grover. पूरा एपिसोड ऐसे करेंगे हम लोग. एकदम दोगलापन.
बिल्कुल ही पका देंगे तुम्हें भाई.
सारी गंदी पिक्चरों का रिव्यू करेंगे बैठ के और अच्छी अच्छी
देखना
बातें
भाई.
बोलेंगे.
ओ अश्लील ग्रोवर impression you mean बड़ी अच्छी बात कर रहा है.
What if we read Doglapan on an episode if we reach 5000 subscribers?
That would be crazy.
Bro crazy.
That'd be a
Oh
great
bro. अगर हम 15 मई तक 5000 सब्सक्राइबर्स पहुंच गए
संभाल के.
हम
10,000,
हाँ
10,000.
नहीं 5000 सब्सक्राइबर्स.
5,000.
हाँ भाई 5 बोलने दो मेरे को.
Sorry.
5000 subscribers 15th May we'll read top 20 troll comments that we have gotten on from both the Dhurandhar episodes.
Mean tweets.
Bro फिर तो मेरे ही आएंगे सब.
मैं ही पढ़ता रहूंगा 20.
अगर धुरंधर वाले एपिसोड लेंगे तो अब्बास के आएंगे.
तो अब्बास के आएंगे.
एवरी अदर एपिसोड के लेंगे तो मेरे
हम दोनों के ज्यादा आएंगे.
हाँ.
धुरंधर पुरानी हो जाएगी यार 15 मई तक.
अरे धुरंधर की बात थोड़ी कर रहे हैं. ट्रोल कमेंट्स की बात कर रहे हैं.
चलो
हमारी
why not?
बेइज्जतियां तो ताजा रहेंगी.
That'll be
ठीक है.
cool, that'll be fun. Yeah.
That'll be fun. 15th May 5000 subscribers we read mean comments live on the episode.
All right.
खुद की बेइज्जती करा
Guys,
देंगे हम लोग. हाँ.
and back to the show, guys. another bit of news that we have already kind of hinted at in the beginning of the episode is Salu Bhai no longer.
I love how you said Salubhai and you went onto your biceps.
Yeah, of course.
Like Salubhai.
Need it, man. Salu Bhai is out of a movie called Mathrubhumi.
So mentally checked out.
Is that what it is?
Yeah.
So the movie is still being made. The movie
So is
हाँ,
made.
but
It's in the can.
Movie- no.
Their reshoots and all have to.
40% reshoot.
Because so that's what I don't blame him for checking out of this.
Same.
movie.
Even I don't blame him, bro.
Because of some geopolitical reasons.
But फिर तो director की भी क्या गलती? वो तो
हाँ
अटक गया।
नहीं है गलती.
पूरी
तो फिर
crew की
सलमान,
गलती नहीं है.
Who is he to check out? I mean, other than being Salman Khan.
Bro,
Yeah,
you
नहीं-
make an entire
Exactly.
movie, right? And you started promotions and everything. They released the song.
And
They did a
teaser
teaser
or
and
something,
everything.
yeah.
सब कुछ आ
They
गया था. भाई.
changed the title of the movie to make it more palatable or whatever.
Yeah.
And
It was
now
Battle of
apparently,
Balwan to Mathrubhumi. Yeah.
हाँ, now apparently
Galwan.
they, हाँ, you said Balu.
I said it and I was like, something is wrong. It's Galwan. Yeah.
ले, अनिल कपूर कैसे आ गया इसमें?
So yeah, I mean, you have to change the entire climax. Apparently now you can't even say the word China in the movie.
Yeah.
Yeah.
तो फिर जो क्या ही पिक्चर बना
मैंने एक मीम देखा उसपे रिले कि अब अगर आप बैटल ऑफ गालवान में चाइना और गालवान ही नहीं बोल सकते तो बैटल कहाँ हुआ था? कुरुक्षेत्र में.
Dude, इससे लगता है कि as a country only दोगलापन is right. As a country, अभी क्या पैंडेमिक के टाइम में हम चाइना sucks, सारी एप्स हटाओ, वेबसाइट हटाओ, जो भी करना है हटाओ.
भाई वो तो
और अब now times have changed. We are trying to impress China कि नहीं हम सॉरी माय बाप, हम जरा सा भी आपके लिए कुछ गलत नहीं बोल सकते.
तभी तो फिर हम धुरंधर 3 बनाएंगे ना अब.
भाई
क्योंकि पाकिस्तान को तो बोल सकते हैं.
हाँ, तो यही करते रहेंगे.
Of course.
But इतना
बॉर्डर 3.
So see again, dude, like then what is anything? Why isn't TikTok back in India? Why isn't
It was, I heard it's gonna come back, but then
Yeah, I think the
But why?
website is still live. Website live है, but
then what right does anyone have, or the on what standing is the government like randomly deciding कि अच्छा now we like China, अच्छा now we don't like China, अच्छा now we like them again, now we have to f them again.
what happens to all the footage that has already been shot, the things that have been released, that unlip syncing song that
भाई
Zandu
अब
Bhai-
उसके अंदर थोड़ी है कहीं पे क्या कहते हैं बैटल ऑफ गालवान का मेंशन. गानों में थोड़ी बोला गालवान जा रहा हूँ. कैसी बात
मैं
कर रहा?
निकला
गड्ढी लेके वो गालवान की सड़क पे
yeah.
एक मोड़ में
so
एक चाइनीज आया.
मैं उते हथियार छोड़ आया.
so do you think
because it was a fist fight.
Fist
Sorry.
fight.
yeah. No, I'm saying, do you think when this movie comes out, it'll be the most Frankenstein put together movie?
Bro, so
Yeah,
that's
could
why
well be.
You just seeing people's backs while they're speaking.
Very possible.
That's why I think
But
they are
I hope
planning to
that's not
dump
the
it on OTT, but the director and like the crew is very adamant कि भाई हमने बहुत खर्चा
That'll
किया
be a
है.
huge
Bro.
loss,
Bro,
bro.
huge loss. Salman's film anyway being एक तो पहले it was very difficult and very
Shot on
expensive.
location, right?
Yeah, because it's
Yeah.
shot on location. उसके बाद उसको OTT पे dump कर देना, bro. That's crazy. Absolutely crazy.
Yeah.
So I think they're still gonna get a theatrical release because
What
it's
if they
Salman.
every time they're saying Galwan, you replace it with Pakistan?
on the east.
Yeah. और जहाँ जहाँ दूसरी आर्मी के सोल्जर्स है वहाँ रहमान डकैत का फोटो लगा.
उधर तो सलमान गोलीबार खुश
तब पास हो जाएगी फिर. हर सब क्लियरेंस मिल जाएगा.
सब क्लियरेंस मिल
Dude,
जाएगा.
did we talk about last week about the
Demonetization.
rumor about Raj and DK Salman movie?
Yeah,
वो रूमर ही है.
ये room I think it was a very strong possibility, but I don't think any developments have happened since.
It was a retired superhero was the story.
Bro, it would have been
the plot.
crazy हो जाता.
हाँ,
अगर
damn cool.
Kick 2 बनानी है तो ऐसे बना सकते हो Kick 2.
Yeah.
Yeah, correct. Yeah, that'll be cool, man.
बहुत
actually.
सही बन जाएगी.
That would be pretty
But अभी so today as on the 24th Salman has announced and booked Eid 2027 for himself. His new untitled project with Nayanthara, backed by Dil Raju.
And directed by, I'll tell you the name, is Vamshi. Okay, I won't tell you.
We apologize. We apologize.
It's sorry, it's Pai Dipali. Vamshi Pai Dipali.
Padipalli.
Yeah. Thank you, Abbas.
I'm guessing. I don't know the correct.
But yeah, so
pronunciation.
he's a very celebrated director. He's a very celebrated producer / music director, and apparently it's one of the biggest films.
Producer, director, music director, all three.
नहीं जो डायरेक्टर है वो
अच्छा,
ये
okay,
हैं
हाँ.
और जो म्यूजिक और बैक्ड बाय है दैट इज दिल राजू.
अच्छा, okay. Got it.
So आज I think
And
इन्होंने
Nayanthara starring.
and Nayanthara is the co-star.
Yeah.
So
Alright.
pretty big, bro. And the fact that he has booked next year's Eid 1 year in advance.
हाँ ये तो जैसे रजनीकांत का होता है ना
Yeah.
रजनीकांत फिल्म नंबर like
Exactly, bro.
you don't need a title.
Yeah.
So it's like Eid 2027.
Salman. बस. Battle of Salman.
Dude, like talking about movies that are being reshot or undergoing.
ईद आए नहीं आए चांद दिखे नहीं दिखे पिक्चर आ जाएगी भाई
यार bro, for the longest time, Eid
Yeah,
was
I was-
supposed to be Salman.
Yeah, yeah,
Salmanation,
yeah.
bro. Salman का film
Totally.
आना जरूरी है ईद पे.
Sorry, you were saying?
No, I'm saying like talking about movies that are being reshot. I heard that a lot of Alpha is
Yeah,
also undergoing
yeah,
reshoots.
yeah.
The Alia Bhatt
Yeah.
Sharwari movie.
ओ आलिया भट्ट से याद आया, हमने एक एपिसोड रिकॉर्ड किया था अबाउट आलिया भट्ट स्क्रीन अवार्ड्स
Screen,
एंड
Sorry, Chetak Screen Awards.
चेतक स्क्रीन एंड हमने उसमें रामायण टीजर के बारे में बात करी थी.
Yeah, correct.
वो बहुत पुराना हो गया है, तो उसके कुछ क्लिप्स करके डाल देंगे, या तो वो एपिसोड मेंबर्स ओनली पे रिलीज कर देंगे.
So let
अगर
us know
आप
what you want.
या
आपको क्या करना होगा वो एपिसोड देखने के लिए आपको
मेंबर बनना पड़ेगा.
We have 2 tiers, caramel and salted. Please.
1 tier from here, 1 tier.
2 tiers. When we look at the member, we're like, tiers.
नहीं thank you for everyone who's a member but
Yes,
please
use
we could use a few more a lot more
A lot
members.
more. We are at
So-
82 as we speak.
Yeah, so 100
100 by 50
target.
कितने टारगेट हो गए यार?
इतने टारगेट तो मुंबई इंडियंस नहीं चेज कर पा रहे.
उसके लिए हम लोग स्वीट कमेंट्स पढ़ देंगे अगर आप 100 मेंबर बन गए जैसे उसके लिए हम लोग
हाँ.
ट्रोल कमेंट पढ़ रहे
Oh,
हैं
you
ना
want to also like
Feel good about
live up
yourself.
to your ego.
Bro, all sweet comments that we have are, oh, Cutie Sinha is back. There is no sweet comment
Shit, sorry,
about
Oh.
not on this one. So another bit of news that is also making the rounds is that if you remember a couple of weeks back we were talking about the XL Entertainment versus Ranveer Singh
yes.
case or quarrel or whatever beef that was going on about Ranveer Singh having backed out of Dawn 3 and how XL was basically suing him and asking for like 40 crores
40 CR,
of
yes.
the money that they have seemingly already invested in the project, be it from location scouting, booking of partial booking of talents or
Yeah.
whatever.
होटल
They released a
होटल बुक
teaser
कर दिया था
also.
भाई.
Release a teaser.
Yeah.
पूरा
Yeah.
एकदम धूम 3 का रिप ऑफ था वो टीजर एक
कहाँ?
तरीके से.
कौन से? क्या बात कर रहा है? What? Where was the rip off of Dhoom 3, dude?
अरे वो जैसे अपने उससे निकल के चल के सिटी के सामने आया खड़ा होता है.
Oh, कोई और पिक्चर में कर नहीं सकते ना ये?
अरे भाई
क्या कर रहा है?
क्या हो गया भाई?
क्या है?
फीलिंग्स हर्ट हो गई उसकी
What the hell, dude?
क्या डॉन के बारे में ऐसा बोल रहा है
मेरे फेवरेट हीरो के बारे में क्या तू
Bro,
धुरंधर
मेरे
है क्या तू?
मेरे धुरंधर के बारे में ऐसा कैसा बोल दिया तू? तो anyway, तो this has come forward कि now what the new turn of events is that Ranveer has settled
मेरा मुंह पे फेंक के मारा भाई ये ले साला पैसा
10 crore in whatever is the monetary settlement apparently.
But I
And
think
on top of that, on top of the 10 crores,
stakes in Pralay.
exactly. So he's giving away his stakes in the movie Pralay, which is like a zombie movie that Ranveer is working on currently, and his stake or his profits that we would earn profits from that
now
are
we're talking like Ashnir Grover
in Excel.
But I think Excel
how
की
does
तरफ
that
से
how does that work how do you give away your stake
the same way we give away tickets, and for that you need to join the membership.
wow. Okay, वो लोग भी spin the wheel करते हैं.
ए भाई इडली आई मीन भाई आपने कमेंट किया था कि हाउ डू आई क्लेम द टिकट्स. मेरे को डीएम करो ना यार, मैं बता दूंगा कैसे करना है.
ऐसे बड़ा फालतू डीएम करते रहते हो अब जब टिकट देना है तो नहीं कर रहे हो
गुस्सा हो रहा है.
गुस्सा नहीं
But
इडली
नहीं,
भाई
a source from Excel apparently has said that all of this is fake news.
है
Like no
why?
settlement has
No
happened?
settlement has happened.
No case also.
नहीं केस है,
Okay, sir.
सेटलमेंट नहीं है.
Oh, फिर तो ये रणवीर की टीम में.
So apparently this news is also not credible. This is just
Can we see what your best friend KRK has to say about this?
so मैंने रणवीर को फोन घुमाया और उसने बोला
रणवीर
वो
का फरहान हो
उसको मैं 10 करोड़ दूंगा.
उसको 10 करोड़ चाहिए तो एक बड़े W के नीचे
और 10 लाख होता है कि 10 करोड़?
10 करोड़ होता है.
10 करोड़ कैश होता है उनके पास.
हाँ.
फ्रेंडशिप विद फरहान कैंसल्ड आदित्य धर इज माय न्यू बेस्ट फ्रेंड रणवीर
वो उसमें संजय दत्त कहता नहीं है तो तुझे कितना चाहिए? पूरे 10 करोड़.
10 का लोल चाहिए. ओके.
so who's directing Pralay do we know
But there is like people know. I don't.
Okay, it's not a known director, is it?
I'm sure he is. मुझे
I'll find out.
पता नहीं है.
Okay.
So you guys continue talking about Pralay till
So Pralay
It's
is
a
also
zombie.
like not of अभी final title नहीं है Pralay. It's just
It
कि
might,
मतलब
they
it
might
might
change
just
it to
be
Mathrubhumi also.
or
later.
Dhurandhar against zombies.
Oh.
It could be. It
Yeah.
could be India's last agent against zombies.
Zombies, huh.
oh, directed by Jay Mehta and produced by Hansal Mehta.
Ooh. Jay Mehta has been on my ex podcast.
Is that all you wanted to say?
No, but Hansal Mehta.
You knew all along.
No, Hansal Mehta makes good movies, man. So
Yeah.
that's good news.
Scam, bro.
Scam and so many
Hansal
other.
Mehta, yeah, bro.
Shahid, which was the
Shahid,
we'll come to this,
yeah.
which was probably the last time Rajkumar Rao showed range for his roles.
Talking about Rajkumar Rao's range, let's get to the
Toaster.
The Toaster movie review.
Yeah.
Man, if I can start.
You were the most excited about
Yeah,
Toaster.
I was quite excited.
मैंने तब भी बोला था बेकार होगी picture.
I see. I expected to be nothing great. It was always gonna be a mid movie. Okay, but like maybe I thought it'll be like an entertaining, like time pass, good, feel good maybe watch.
Yeah.
Time
Okay.
pass भी नहीं लगी तुझे?
नहीं time pass तो
भाई
definitely
नहीं थी time pass.
नहीं time pass तो थी bro.
क्या बात कर रहे हो भाई?
Wait, you're saying it's worse than Bhoot Bangla? Not at all.
I
It's
knew
better than
this
Bhoot Bangla.
question would
Bro,
come up.
it is worse than Bhoot Bangla,
It's
भाई.
much better than Bhoot Bangla.
Are
dude.
you mad?
Are you insane? What are you talking about?
No, not at all. By Toaster is one of the worst films that I've watched. There's a reason it was shelved for like more than a year.
Dude, no.
It's not one of the worst movies that
Bhai,
I've
Bhoot Bangla's
seen.
way worse. What do you think?
Huh? Between
Bhoot
Bhoot
Bangla
Bangla and
Toaster?
Toaster. Which one's better?
Yeah, or which one's worse?
Bro, so see, Bhoot Bangla में at least थोड़े
Huh?
पागलपन वाले flourishes थे from Rajpal Yadav, okay? Toaster, my biggest के Toaster is just reaching that minimum.
That is true.
uh,
But dude,
एकदम bare minimum जो पिक्चर कर सकती है ना.
But the other one is also low brow only, dude.
हाँ, so my thing is there are जब इसका हम लोग ट्रेलर डिस्कस कर रहे थे, if you remember, मैंने बोला था कि it looks like a premise जो एक 45-50 मिनट का एपिसोड बन सकता है एक शो का.
Sure.
उसको ये लोग 2 घंटे तक खींच लेंगे. That's exactly what the movie is.
Yeah.
It doesn't know what it's doing. We're talking spoilers, right?
Yeah,
Bhai, I don't think anybody cares.
Bro, the entire almost 50 minutes 1 hour के बाद जो अर्चना पूरन सिंह वाला ट्रैक चालू
that
होता
was
है.
so irritating,
I was
dude.
like, bro, why am I?
Damn irritating, man.
Who changed the script?
एक सेकंड जस्ट हमने ना ये गलती करी थी भूत बंगला में. हम शुरू हो जाते हैं प्लॉट
नहीं बताया था हमने.
बेसिक
हाँ.
मुद्दा ये है कि राजकुमार राव और सानिया मल्होत्रा की शादी हो रखी है. राजकुमार राव बहुत
बहुत
ही
ही
कंजूस आदमी है.
बहुत ज्यादा.
5-6 रुपए के लिए झूठ बोलता है, ये करता है, वो करता है, फलाना ढिमका. उसको
उसने एक शादी पे जाना है और उसने एक टोस्टर खरीद लिया है.
टोस्टर खरीद लिया
As a gift.
एज अ गिफ्ट, और वो शादी टूट जाती है और अब उसको वो टोस्टर वापस चाहिए. तो
कि
वो
मेरा 5,000 का टोस्टर,
मेरा टोस्टर
जो कि
कहाँ है?
3,000 समथिंग का था.
जितने का भी था, ठीक है, उसको टोस्टर वापस चाहिए. अब वो टोस्टर पहले ऑर्फनेज जाता है, फिर ऑर्फनेज से कहीं जाता है, वो पूरी पिक्चर में.
हाँ, ये बहुत मतलब पुराना ट्रोप है कि ड्रग बस्ट की वजह से एक उसको क्या
एक
बोलते हैं?
बैग कोई
What is that
toaster.
called, bro? There's a name for that.
MacGuffin.
No, MacGuffin. कि जैसे पल्प फिक्शन में सूटकेस था, एक ऑब्जेक्ट आपका वो बन जाता है. इस पिक्चर में
हाँ,
ऑब्जेक्ट
वही
टोस्टर
है, वो
है
टोस्टर है
जो यहाँ वहाँ भागता रहता है. और वो
हाँ, उस टोस्टर के नीचे एक चिप में एक MLA का MMS है जो पुलिस भी ढूंढ रही है वो टोस्टर. राजकुमार राव भी
हाँ.
ढूंढ रहा है वो टोस्टर. उसको 5,000 चाहिए.
और एक
पुलिस वालों
पॉलिटिशियन है,
को
वो भी ढूंढ रहा है.
हाँ, वही, क्योंकि MMS है ना उसका.
करेक्ट.
उसमें.
वो मेरे को एक और चीज बहुत अजीब लगी कि इट्स सच अ 2010 आइडिया के सिम कार्ड
SIM card, अबे हाँ.
आज तुम हजारों जगह बैकअप ले सकते हो यार, उसका कहीं भी हो जाएगा. So Archana Puran Singh plays a neighbor of Rajkumar Rao, or
Who's his older auntie,
हाँ.
seemingly 80 years something.
Yeah.
something.
Which in the beginning we feel okay, it's a small role, so they gave it to Archana Puran Singh. Then in the second half we find out that she has this weird kinky fantasy
Yeah.
where she wants to
bro,
sleep with younger men.
Yeah.
And she has recorded Rajkumar Rao committing murder, so now that
Yeah.
angle has come
So
in.
राजकुमार राव hasn't committed murder. वो तो जिस एक बंदे के पास वो टोस्टर पहुंच जाता है और वो राजकुमार राव उससे टोस्टर छीन रहा होता है और वो बालकनी से गिर जाता है.
But
तुम
how
लोग
do you
को ये-
explain that, dude?
you-
That's
you-
murderous only. He went to rob.
हाँ.
Did
house
you
in a
not
way.
feel this, that the first half was a different movie, the
Yeah,
second
yeah,
half was
100%.
yeah.
कुछ भी चल रहा था उस पिक्चर में भाई.
It became less about the toaster and more about his ordeal of going to Archana Puran Singh's house instead of his own house at night.
और ऊपर से एक
Bizarre.
सेकंड भाई, जितने भी राइटर हैं इस इंडस्ट्री में, और जितने भी कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर्स हैं जो राजकुमार राव को कास्ट कर रहे हैं आपके, और डायरेक्टर्स भी स्पेशली, आपके पास एक ही ट्रोप है क्या कि राजकुमार राव को जब तक बहुत तेज मोनोलॉग नहीं बुलवा देंगे तब तक पिक्चर खत्म नहीं होगा. क्यों हर पिक्चर में है ये 30 सेकंड का सीन? और बात 30 सेकंड की नहीं है, बात ये है कि हम सेम चीज उस इंसान को, इट्स लाइक कार्तिक आर्यन डूइंग दैट मोनोलॉग इन एवरी फिल्म.
Yeah.
इट्स इरिटेटिंग.
Dude, they made Archana Puran Singh the main fucking villain of the whole
Made
movie.
zero sense. अब
Dude, no
अर्चना
sense.
पूरन सिंह का खुद एक अम्यूजमेंट पार्क है
Dude, yeah.
जो
Dude.
पूरी पिक्चर में नहीं था स्टार्टिंग में.
The entire movie they were setting up the politician and Upendra Lamai, the police inspector.
बाय द वे हु डोंट नो कि उपेंद्र भाई कौन है,
Animal.
एनिमल में जो वो जय महाराष्ट्र
Madgaon
वाला
Express,
जो वो
yeah.
सारा वो था, दे आल्सो हैव अ कॉल बैक जोक टू दैट.
Yeah.
आप अपने अंदर का एनिमल
Animal
जगाइए,
जगाओ, sir.
वो क्या किया था आपने
Yeah.
जय महाराष्ट्र.
तो मेरे को क्या है
So
कि
it got
irritating.
this movie is so algorithm dictated, so they've put in Farah Khan as a cameo role for a role that really did not need her.
But
Okay,
but dude, I will say
it's funny
that
what
was
she
the
does
only
is,
thing that was one of the
I
better
get
things
that.
in the movie.
वो ऑर्फनेज की वो बनती है केयरटेकर.
Yeah.
उसमें एक बहुत फनी चीज है, वो जब फराह खान से मिलने जाता है, रैंडम अनाथ बच्चे वो स्पून में नींबू लगा के वो कर रहे हैं. वी आर नॉट गिवन एनी एक्सप्लेनेशन, लाइक दैट्स जस्ट हाउ शी ट्रीट्स हर.
Yeah.
Then the guy who sells them the toaster is the guy Manan from India's Got Latent. ठीक है. फिर ये एनिमल से इनको उठा लिया. फिर अभिषेक बैनर्जी और सीमा पावा तो है ही, मतलब वो हर स्ट्रीमिंग चीज में आते हैं, तो इसमें भी है. आई जस्ट फील लाइक एवरी एंड दिस होल ड्रग बस थिंग, सानिया मल्होत्रा,
और एंड में वो भी आ जाता है भाई अपना स्कैम वाला भाई, क्या नाम है उसका?
प्रतीक गांधी.
प्रतीक
हाँ.
गांधी.
And Abhishek Banerjee also. Yeah.
अभिषेक बैनर्जी also, हाँ. सो इट्स लाइक एवरी एल्गोरिदम जो तुम टिक कर सकते हो ना, नेटफ्लिक्स ने उन सबको साथ में घुसा के. सो सीमा पावा हैज अ कॉन्स्टिपेशन प्रॉब्लम व्हिच सीम्स लाइक इट्स लाइक अ पीकू थिंग स्टक
Yeah,
हियर.
And bro,
They
and
wasted
She dies midway through the film for no reason.
Bro, and the same पीकू रीजन कि
Yeah.
एक बार तो ठीक से आ जा, डेथ.
Yeah.
Dude, even that Abhishek Banerjee wala scene where his death scene was again like elongated too much.
Too much, yeah.
Like they could have done it in like a minute. It would have been done. It would have been a much tighter
भाई,
scene.
वो
So also in
मम्मा आपका पेट लोहे का कैसे हो गया ब्रो? How are they thinking that this is funny? मम्मा आपका पेट लोहे का कैसे हो गया?
Yeah.
Yeah.
They were playing into the fact that he's high on drugs, but it didn't come across that way. It came
But
across
that's
just
what
lazy.
ना भाई, he is always high on drugs. तो ये कुछ स्पेशल थोड़ी है.
Correct.
या
Yeah.
तो ऐसा
भाई,
होना
आज
कि
मॉम की डेथ में ज्यादा ले लिया भाई, हो सकता है. क्या बात कर रहा है? क्या याद कर रहा है भाई? संजू नहीं देखी तूने?
क्या connection क्या है? Then at some point Sania Malhotra becomes a detective and she's trying to figure out what the case is. Also the film couldn't figure, I think initially, again I'm speculating, this script might have been like a proper dark comedy. ठीक है कि लोग मर रहे हैं, ये हो रहा है. It's dealing with some very serious issues.
Yeah.
But at some point they try to make it very generic, very palatable. And बीच में उसके कंजूसी के jokes डाल रहे हैं, ये सब कर रहे हैं. It just felt very mismatched, very off. And I'm like, this is the standard that Netflix movies have become now. I can't remember the last time I watched a Netflix original Hindi movie where I found it interesting. It's just, like I said, bare minimum meet कर रहा है यार वो. इसको तो वो भी नहीं लगा.
मुझे सच में भाई, मैंने ये फिल्म 4 सिटिंग्स में कंप्लीट करी है.
मैं भी एक सिटिंग में नहीं कर पाया.
मैं देख ही भाई, पहले तो मैंने 15 मिनट में ही बंद कर, लाइक नहीं हो रहा है मेरे से, मैंने बंद कर दी. फिर 2 दिन बाद वापस हिम्मत जुटाई कंप्लीट, क्योंकि हमें ये एपिसोड करना था.
Dude, like I feel like the first say half an hour to 45 minutes of the movie are still good-ish. Like as in like
They're okay. They're okay
sailing
along.
because they're setting it up. I like the little things of the way they show that this guy is super chindi. So like वो 6 रुपए के लड़ रहा है ये.
But that's
toaster
only the
जीत
first
रहा है.
scene, bhai. That's only
Correct.
the first scene.
But that's all set up. You know, like no. But then he goes to his house, the conversation with the wife, how they set up Sania's character. वो ठीक ठाक लगा मेरे को.
हाँ.
And then suddenly it just crashed and how, dude? Like sudden crash. It was insane. It's like they didn't know how to go into the whole politician police wala angle like properly.
Yeah, it's just completely
क्योंकि
different.
और उस भाई कितनी चीजें तो उन्होंने वो भी छोड़ दी ना, ओपन ही जो कुछ वो, जैसे मैं बोला अम्यूजमेंट पार्क कहाँ से आ गया अचानक, और वो आ जाता है चला जाता है, कुछ उसका रेफरेंस वो नहीं है.
वो बोलती है मैंने अपने हस्बैंड को वहां पे
गाड़ दिया.
अचानक
ये अपने दोस्त को भेजता है उसको मारने, वो दोस्त मर जाता है.
और भाई अचानक से
और वो दिखाते भी नहीं है कैसे मारा, दोनों बार नहीं दिखाते.
दोनों भाई थोड़ा सा 1-2 बार लात लूत मारना दिखाते हैं. ऊपर से जो तेरे को भाई परफ्यूम बेच रहा है, अचानक वो बाय द नाइट हिटमैन है एंड ही गोज आज मैं तेरे साथ भाई कैन वी नॉट have nepotism jokes by
Yeah,
people who
again.
have not come in the industry through nepotism. It is so old, overdone.
Yeah, that's true.
It is not funny anymore. It was funny once.
Yeah.
It's not anymore.
What was I forgot what was the never joke?
कि मैं आपको ब्रेक सो ही सेज कि आज अपने दोस्त के लिए पहली बार मैं हिटमैन बनाऊं
हाँ.
तो ही सेज कि अरे तो आज आपका डेब्यू है
हाँ,
तो ही
तो
सेड
ये तो
कि
nepotism,
हाँ
हाँ,
25,000 दे दो तो कह रहा है कि
Nepotism के बिना कुछ होता है
नेपोटिज्म
इसमें?
के बिना कुछ
Break
होता
मिलता है
है
क्या?
आई आपको तो मुझे पैसे देने चाहिए कि मैं आपको नेपोटिज्म के बिना ब्रेक दे रहा हूँ बाबा मत करो भाई
So yeah, not good at all. I would say not.
It
at the
did
end of it.
remind me though of in the 90s, some 93 94 जब जी हॉरर शो शुरू हुआ था ना, तो पहले एपिसोड में या दूसरे एपिसोड में अर्चना पूरन सिंह चुड़ैल बनी थी. मेरे को वो याद आ गया.
अर्चना पूरन सिंह को तो ये नहीं ही करनी
Let me
चाहिए थी ये
guess.
फिल्म.
She laughed a lot in that.
Bro, I don't know if you remember, there was this scene where there's a kettle kept and this lady takes off the cover and it's Archana Puran Singh's severed head
Inside the kettle.
in the thing, and she looks at her and laughs.
She's a witch or something.
Yeah, she's a
Like-
चुड़ैल.
She looks at her and laughs.
उसका
looks at
सर
the
कटा हुआ
person.
सर देख के उसमें से.
And वहाँ से
केतली की
वहाँ
जगह.
से कपिल
वहाँ
शर्मा
से
was
कपिल
like,
शर्मा.
bro.
Got it. That's my competition with Navjot Singh Sidhu.
Yeah,
Got it.
but bro,
Dude,
please
yeah.
Netflix यार,
Dude,
raise your
and also
standard
like the
or
thing
do
is, no, see
something.
the thing is, ये बोलना नहीं चाहिए. Okay.
बोल दे.
अरे वो
But the thing is like seeing an 80-year-old woman. Okay, if you're telling me she's 80-year-old, trying to get horny and dirty.
Oh, in the movie she's
in
supposed
the
to be
movie-
80.
Yeah, 80. बारह बोलते रहते हैं 80 लोगों के क्या 80 उम्र के लोगों की कॉलोनी है, मेरे को 80 उम्र बुड्ढों की कॉलोनी में रख रहे हो तुम. सनमर तो बोलती है ना.
चलो
ये-
60 समझ लो यार क्या फर्क पड़ता
60
है.
थोड़ी ना है भाई, क्या बात कर रहा है. नहीं, she's around 80.
चलो ठीक है.
Okay.
But again, like a nimble 80-year-old, I guess. But
क्या निम्बल मतलब?
you know, like
Flexible.
agile,
Oh,
you know,
अच्छा,
fast
अच्छा.
for her
Age.
age.
So
So, dude, like, don't make me see supposed, you know, like dirty scenes
and
between an 80-year-old and
then Sania Malhotra forgives him at the end when she
Forgives
finds
him
out he's
also.
been an
Dude,
80-year-old
firstly,
But
Rajkumar
but
says,
he's not with the 80-year-old.
never does he
What the
explain
f***
his
you
wife.
mean?
He does.
No, वो बोलता है तो
वो
कि
बोलता है
मसाज से
कि
कैसे हो
सिर्फ
गए.
मसाज
मेरे
से
को
pregnant
ब्लैकमेल
कैसे
कर
हो
रही
गए?
थी, बट भाई जो भी हो तुम ऐसे
अब जो
एक्सेप्ट
भी
कर
हो,
लोगे एक्सेप्ट
शोला
कर
बन
लोगे
के।
पति को कि हाँ तुम
But वो
But also,
पड़ोसन
I
के
don't
पास
understand
जाके-
that. That is such
वो
a...
बताता तो है
क्या
कि
तुझे
सिर्फ
तुझे लग रहा है कि वो
मसाज ही तो
सेक्स नहीं
करते
करते थे जब वो जाता था वहाँ
Dude,
पे?
that's the
अरे
thing.
he says this.
So-
मैं
so-
What?
he says कि जब वो कहते
अरे
हैं ना कि मैं
मसाज
pregnant-
इज अ कोड वर्ड.
नहीं bro.
अरे बाबा आप ये आप ज्यादा
क्या बात
ही-
कर रहा है भाई तू
आप
यार?
भाई क्या हो गया भाई कायाकल्प से बाहर निकलो भाई.
थाईलैंड हो गया है क्या भाई, क्या बात कर रहा है? मसाज इज द कोड वर्ड.
अरे भाई, मसाज
So they were not.
Bro, see,
हाँ.
the entire movie we do think, oh, he's
Yeah.
making her fuck her.
Yeah.
Okay, she's making
Oh,
him
that was
fuck her.
supposed to be a reveal.
But then he, so see,
When
also
she
most of the
calls, yeah.
most of the scenes that we say, okay, that we see her doing, him going to her house,
Yeah.
massaging her foot.
And they
making-
never
doing her
show
toes.
her
Yeah.
them.
So then, like, your brain is still going, okay, then they don't want to show the dirty parts. Thank God for that. But they're not showing it.
हाँ.
But then later, when she says कि मैं तुम्हारे बच्चे की माँ बनने वाली
हाँ.
हूँ, he says कि अरे मसाज से कैसे हो गया पर ये सब
But that's
सिर्फ
implied.
मसाज नहीं
That's implied.
no they're implying that she's too old or something. She likes to have the company of this thing, so he's not actually, you know, having sex with her. He's just massaging and doing like
That
doing
went
other
over
weird
my
things.
head.
Like she makes him do, again, it's bizarre because
She makes
she makes him do kinky
cook
shit
and clean and all that
and
shit
do other
also.
kinky shit. She's wearing like a nightie and all.
Yeah.
That's stupid kinky shit. But then he's not involved. He's not involving him.
Stupid kinky.
No, we,
नहीं,
we don't
okay.
judge Antariksh, okay?
I'm like,
Stupid for you.
It made sense to me.
So from this point onwards, you are not allowed at a bus's home.
sorry. I guess, dude. ये सोचा नहीं मैंने.
अच्छा, ये
a lot
मेरे
of
सर
bizarre
के
calls.
ऊपर से गया.
A lot of bizarre calls in the movie
Hmm.
that they made in the movie. Like, dude, like Upendra Lamai's character, he's normally shown as the badass
Bro,
cop. This
yeah.
one, he was bumbling. He
Bro,
was a bumbling cop.
wasted.
Like, whatever he's trying to do, कभी ये cancel, यहाँ से cancel हो रहा है, अर्चना पूरन सिंह केस वापस ले रही है.
बहुत खराब.
Also,
बहुत
dude, like,
खराब.
if they want to create more conflict and make it more interesting, okay? At one point in the movie, there is so the toaster जो भी कर करके राउंड वन लेके पूरा अर्चनन पूरन सिंह के घर पे पहुंच जाता है. So it's at her house.
Yeah.
So what does she do? She has this SD card में this footage of Rajkumar Rao seemingly pushing or whatever Abhishek Banerjee को.
उसके पास कहाँ से आई फुटेज? उसने कब रिकॉर्ड कर ली?
हाँ,
अरे
वो
वो-
हमको
वो-
कभी दिखाते
नहीं,
नहीं, but it's implied that she
नहीं.
recorded.
So later on they show ना in the movie. क्या तुमने देखी नहीं क्या यार?
What do they
Later
show?
in the movie they show her phone. Like or Rajkumar Rao hacks into her phone and sees that she's been following him and like this thing.
हाँ.
And from her balcony she can see almost everything in the colony. So she can see other balconies. ये दिखाया उन लोगों ने.
हाँ मतलब
इतना तो
Bro,
logic.
yes, but there is absolutely no setup to that at all. It's just
Yeah, it's just a random
dump
auntie.
के, हाँ.
Yeah, random auntie who's
Yeah.
stalking
Correct.
Rajkumar Rao's character.
these
But,
aunties deserve Hrithik Roshan where they're like, hi auntie. auntie.
Yeah.
आपके आलू के पराठे.
yeah. क्या कुड़ियों की नियत खराब जी.
Such a hard throw.
नहीं, that but there's an auntie line in that song also. What is the auntie line? ना खेल आंटियों की गोदों में तू खेला है.
Wow.
हार्ट अटैक तू करवाएगा.
Fair.
You know that's the line, no?
Yeah,
Okay.
I am bad at verses.
Yeah,
But
sure.
good for Archana Puran Singh. She'll probably make another bungalow in Mud Island.
Yeah, that's true.
भाई वो तो उसका कपिल शर्मा से ही बन जाता होगा.
हाँ, but ये थोड़ा furnishing करानी होगी.
Little pocket money.
Pocket money.
Roaming around money.
What
but
do we do with Rajkumar Rao, guys? Also,
Bro.
Sania Malhotra, guys. Sania Malhotra also I have not seen in a good, proper, meaty role.
Mrs.
In a long while.
Mrs.
Mrs. was what a year ago, right?
Yeah, तो एक साल में एक पिक्चर भाई.
And she was the thing is like the scenes of Rajkumar and Sania together
Very less.
they were less, but
Fine,
they had
yeah.
like decent chemistry. It was
यार
workable, man.
दोनों
It was
एक्टर बहुत
good. Yeah,
अच्छे
बहुत ही
हैं.
अच्छे हैं. And they are
Rajkumar Rao is also not bad in this. Like what he's given, he's doing, but he's
But
been
he's
doing
given
the same thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
अगर एक मुल्क नहीं चली इसका ये मत मालिक नहीं चली तो इसका ये मतलब थोड़ी है. वाओ मैं उर्दू वुड से हूँ. अगर एक मालिक नहीं चली तो इसका मतलब थोड़ी कि तुम कभी और कुछ ट्राई ही नहीं. You will go back to this. No.
But he must have done Mulk and this around the same.
मालिक.
Malik.
क्या हो रहा है?
एक और पॉइंट बोलना था मुझे, भूल गया.
Oh, welcome aboard.
Yeah, so not recommended.
Definitely
For
not,
sure.
definitely
I
not.
mean, yeah, it's just.
इससे बेटर भूत बंगला देखा.
Dude, like I feel like in this movie, like in the second half, none of the jokes land.
उसमें एटलीस्ट लुल्ली तो बोलेगा राजपाल.
Yeah, it was crazy. Dude,
Yeah.
you know what I did like? There was this Farah Khan. Like you already alluded to that.
Yeah,
but
yeah,
Farah
yeah.
Khan treats her. She's
Children.
the in charge of an orphanage, right?
Orphanage, yeah.
And she treats her children like very like
Shit.
shit in a way. So,
But not cruel. Like it's like treats
yeah,
her like shit, but she's not like a.
yeah, not cruel.
हाँ,
Yeah,
not
like, but like
cruel.
in
Yeah.
like
So
but it's-
मार वार नहीं रही है
yeah.
उनको.
So what is the line? So when the kid, like when she finally, just after receiving Archana Puran Singh se paisa,
yeah.
okay, just before that or after that, the kid says something very funny. What was it, dude? He says something like, ये टोस्टर खुद रखती है कुछ तो बोला था.
हमें कुछ देती नहीं है.
हाँ कुछ तो he said something very funny. I'm forgetting what it was. I laughed out loud at that moment. just
Laughed
that.
out loud.
Like it was like the best that movie could muster. You're like,
ये देख लो, आप देख लो, ये इनमें पिक्चर से ये डिस्कशन
laugh
स्टार्ट किया था. वेरी इतनी भी खराब नहीं थी. एंड द ओनली थिंग दैट ही कुड फाइंड फनी was that one line by that kid in the
It's
entire
okay,
film.
man. Comedy is subjective,
bro, Bhoot Bangla also. I didn't think it was much better than this.
Bhoot
dude.
Bangla,
It
I
was-
laughed out 4 times, like I said.
Oh, you can count.
Is-
on your
yeah, I do
fingers.
because I told
It's
you
not good, man. Oh, it's all bad. It's all bad.
Mark Kermode has this thing that if you laugh 6 times in a comedy, it's a good comedy.
You said that last time also.
Yeah, that's why I count.
Get a new line or something.
It's not even my line. I'm giving credit to the person it is from.
Read more about.
But I laughed probably twice in this.
Okay.
कहाँ?
This one.
कौन
कहाँ
से
वो
point
अच्छी-
पे?
ये अच्छा सवाल पूछा है तूने. How many stars out of 5?
भाई 1.5 भी नहीं देना चाहिए भाई.
1 या 1.5.
ऐसी पिक्चर बननी ही नहीं चाहिए.
0.
1.5 ले लो, चलो 1 ले लो.
Yeah, 1.5.
Netflix should not waste money on this. People
Dude,
should not
dude,
waste
so
money
that's
on
the
this.
last
end-
time they made anything good? हाँ, what is the ending? प्रतीक गांधी वाला क्या
what
था
was that
वो?
thing? So he's also very conjuice.
हाँ, so
he
he-
figured out a hack of 6 rupees.
No,
with
no.
say
So
splits.
I'll
What?
tell you what the ending is. Ending ये है कि Rajkumar Roy has finally found someone who is even more confused. than
Yeah,
him.
so he's like taking
he's just like,
photographs.
मैं
So
selfie
impressed.
ले रहा हूँ
That's
आपके
it,
साथ,
right?
बस।
Yeah.
मेरे को लगा
वही है। प्रतीक
मेरे को
गांधी
लगा
as प्रतीक गांधी।
कि ये उसका क्रॉसओवर तो नहीं है वो जो मूवी आई थी जो तुझे पसंद आई थी
धूमधाम?
धूमधाम मेरे को लगा धूमधाम का
Yeah, at
क्रॉसओवर है
first
क्या
I
है
thought that because it's like a husband and wife together
हाँ
fighting
exactly yeah
like crime or whatever, right? That was the intention of that one. But I thought it was that, but there was no mention of that character
भाई
or of that movie.
आपको पता है there are actually platforms YouTube Hotstar जो 40-40 मिनट 30-30 मिनट की फिल्म सैंक्शन करते हैं.
I know
बनाओ
yeah
ना उनको वैसे ही बनाओ. जबरदस्ती क्यों 2.25 घंटे की बनानी है ना यार.
see if this was a TV show which was like उसके राजकुमार राव के कैरेक्टर का क्या नाम याद है
Ramakant.
कंजूस रमाकांत के किस्से ऐसा अगर एक शो होता उसमें एक एपिसोड होता 40
हाँ.
मिनट का तो इट वाज फन
That's what. Just
बट
like
2 घंटे की पिक्चर
जैसे वो है एक फिल्म है गुड लक.
हाँ
ठीक है. वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग फिल्म, वेरी गुड फिल्म. एक रिकमेंडेशन की तरह ले लो. बहुत अच्छी फिल्म है. आई थिंक हॉटस्टार पे. चेक इट आउट. कॉपी करके एक फिल्म है. दैट्स ऑल्सो इन द सेम ब्रैकेट 30-40 मिनट्स. जाके देखो वो पिक्चरें देखो. बढ़िया पिक्चरें. जबरदस्ती किसी ने उसको 2.5 घंटे की नहीं बनाया. 40 मिनट की फिल्म है. खूबसूरत फिल्म है. देखो एक अच्छा इंटरेस्टिंग प्लॉट.
40 मिनट की तूने 40 घंटे बोल दिया
सॉरी 30-40 मिनट की फिल्म है. अच्छी इंटरेस्टिंग फिल्म है. देखो जाके 20 मिनट की फिल्म बनाओ. शॉर्ट फिल्म बनाओ. तुम क्यों
40 मिनट की पिक्चर में राजकुमार राव नहीं आएगा ना यार राजकुमार राव साने मल्होत्रा नहीं आएंगे
भाई विक्रांत मसीह है ना इसमें कॉपी में. विक्रांत मसीह है कॉपी में. आपका गुड लक में
See,
वो
my,
है
my Vikrant will do all these amazing things.
अपना गुड लक में ये है आपका आदित्य रॉय कपूर का भाई जो उसमें ये
कुणाल रॉय
जवानी है
कपूर।
हाँ ये जवानी है दीवानी में जो वो
कुणाल
husband
रॉय
बनता है।
कपूर।
कुणाल रॉय
हाँ,
कपूर
हाँ।
वो है. तो कर रहे हैं लोग पिक्चरें. हॉटस्टार सैंक्शन कर रहा है ना पिक्चर तो मतलब है प्लेटफॉर्म देने के लिए. बनाओ पिक्चर बट एटलीस्ट एक अच्छी टाइट स्क्रिप्ट तो होगी. जबरदस्ती आप एक अगर ये पूरा प्लॉट एक जैसे आप कह रहे हो टंग एंड चीक ह्यूमर की तरह कॉमेडी की तरह टोस्टर के अराउंड रहता ना फनी रहता. बंदा देख लेता पहले 35-40 मिनट. तुमने उसको मर्डर मिस्ट्री MMS मेरा वीडियो एक रैंडम अम्यूजमेंट पार्क उसके अंदर 3 लाशें गड़ी हुई हैं. वो काहे का पुलिस ऑफिसर है जो आंटी से मर गया भाई.
बिल्कुल ब्रो, दैट इज रिडिकुलस.
बिजार ब्रो.
एंड वो भी एक बार नहीं 3 बार आंटी ने या धक्का दिया या मारा है या सर पे मारा है. कुछ तो भाई क्या चल रहा है, क्या चल रहा है. Oh well, anyway guys, I think we've wasted a lot of time on a movie that we shouldn't have wasted so much time on.
हाँ,
And that
and
brings
Netflix
us-
also shouldn't have wasted their time on
Yeah.
this.
कमेंट में लोग मिलेंगे इतनी बुरी भी नहीं थी टाइम पास थी
भाई पहली बात तो okay, और lastly as we close this episode out, guys I don't understand how people like Bhul Bhulaiya at all. Sorry,
Not
Bhul Bangla
Bhul
at
Bangla.
all. But ठीक है तुम्हें अच्छी लगी तो अच्छी लगी यार. Good for you.
Oh, you just wanted to say this one line.
Yeah, I don't get it. I'm baffled.
मुझे 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 मुझे
Perfect.
मुझे सबसे फनी कमेंट वो लगता है कि तो सारी पिक्चरें परफेक्ट थोड़ी होती. तुम गलतियां निकाल क्यों रहे हो.
करेक्ट, हम ही चूते हैं. मूवी से गलतियां निकालते हैं.
गलतियां निकालते हैं.
एंजॉय करो,
Enjoy करो.
बस बस.
देखो टोस्टर देखो मस्त बढ़िया
या,
पिक्चर है
तुम्हें बहुत ही लगी.
मत देखना भाई.
तुम
सही
गलतियां
बोल
नहीं निकालोगे तुम्हें बहुत ही लगी. और I guess
मुझे मैं जब ऐसी बातें करता हूँ तो मुझे इतना ट्रोल किया जाता है. फिर मैं कमेंट में जाके 2-3 ऐसे कमेंट पढ़ लेता हूँ. हम लाइक यही है मेरा ऑडियंस. जय सराव सरदार. यस.
So he liked Chana Sardar too and he didn't like toaster.
All right, guys, that brings us to the end of the episode. That was a review of Toaster. We talked about some Salman Khan, Amir Khan, Ashwini Grover, Ranveer
Ranveer
Singh,
Singh.
Extra Entertainment News.
Ranveer Singh released
Alia
his
Bhatt.
sneaker though. Today.
Super You.
Sneaker.
But it's called Super You Sneaker. What is it called?
No, it's in collaboration with Adidas.
So serious, he didn't get the joke.
Oh, okay. That's
Yeah,
good,
so
man.
they've released like a special Ranveer Singh signatured sneaker. It's उसके जूते पे रणवीर सिंह का ऑटोग्राफ है भाई. It's a superstar collab, like Adidas का जो superstar model है. It's a superstar collaboration.
So wait, Kanye is also, his brand is also with Adidas only, no?
It was before he said anti-Semitic.
Oh,
No, but I think it's with, like, see, the profits of that brand are always going to be with him. He just might not be marketing it right now.
No. So Adidas and Kanye have
called it
terminated their
Contract.
Now Kanye releases अपना
Yeezys,
Yeezys
huh?
independently.
Okay.
Yeah.
And still minting then, I'm sure, dude. It's still
Bro,
doing well,
Kanye,
no?
Yeezy is one of the most successful
Even now, even
sneaker.
after separating from Adidas?
Abhi, I think he has not yet मतलब वो अभी निकालता है जूते
पर नए डिजाइन नहीं आए हैं
हाँ
कुछ? Okay.
आ गए हैं, नए डिजाइन आ गए
ओह,
हैं,
अच्छा।
बट उतना फुल फ्लेजेड नहीं है ना, क्योंकि एडिडास तो है ही जूतों का कंपनी ना, ये उसको अपने सो
Manufacturing and everything.
I was reading this one thing, so I am a big fan of, I was a big fan of Yeezys.
तेरे पास है, मैंने देखे, white, grey color
yeah,
के।
I have two Yeezy 350s, my favorite model, and I have other Yeezys also. One of the most comfortable line that I've ever worn in sneakers.
They're based around comfort.
Yeah,
No, they're not based around.
it's yeah, exactly.
They're not
exactly.
playing shoes, right? They're not sports shoes, are they?
मतलब they are sport shoes भी हैं, आपके slides भी हैं,
Like basketball भी shoes हैं.
basketball shoes भी हैं
Because
उसमें.
like Nike Air is started because of basketball.
Dude, so Kanye actually partnered with Nike first, and there was this sneaker called Nike Yeezy Air 1, Nike Yeezy Air 2. ठीक
So
है?
his brand was always easy, but that's
Yeah,
jumping around.
his brand was always easy.
Oh,
So
yeah.
apparently Kanye wanted a more creative control, and Nike said no.
Okay.
So Kanye was like, I'll go to Adidas, and Adidas gave him complete creative
And
control.
regretted.
Joey
ठीक है?
ball
Bro,
भाई.
Adidas ने जितना पैसा Yeezy से छापा रहेगा
हाँ,
ना,
अकेले
crazy.
Dude,
ठीक है?
they started like undercutting him by making similar designs outside of the
Yeah,
Yeezy
dude,
brand.
exactly, dude.
Yeah.
So actually आज भी अगर आप sneaker market में देखो तो Kanye and Nike का collaboration, Nike Yeezy Air 2 Red October, is one of the most sought after and expensive sneakers.
Fair
Prices go up to 15 lakh, 20 lakhs a pair. Yeah, ठीक है, one of the most expensive pairs. Anyway, so अभी cut to like Nike से हो गया, Adidas से हो गया, so now Kanye started कि मैं अपना खुद का ही प्रोडक्शन बनाता हूँ. So now apparently what I've heard is कि अगर आप Yeezy.com पे जाओगे तो आपको a range of silhouettes, jackets, सब कुछ दिखेगा, मिलेगा, ठीक है? But apparently it is made to order. Like if you
Right.
place an order, then they'll start manufacturing it.
They don't have anything in.
So they don't have anything ready.
They
So
don't
it's
have-
not like a 3-day, 5-day
Retail,
delivery.
हाँ.
21-22 दिन लगते हैं, फिर आपके पास आता है वो जो भी आप ऑर्डर करते हो उसमें से. तो आई थिंक आई डोंट थिंक Yeezy in itself will stand up, क्योंकि इतना
correct.
प्रोडक्शन वो उसमें जा नहीं रहा है. डूड, इस काने ने एक बारी सुपर बोल का स्लॉट लिया था एड का.
I remember.
And-
He just showed him like
Bro, yeah, so he
showed himself.
bro,
doing
so
something.
what he did was अपना गाड़ी में बैठा है. So guys, the slot was pretty expensive, so I don't have much money left for the advertisement. I make shoes. They are called Yeezys. Go check them out. That's it.
That's great ad actually.
Bro, that's great ad.
That's brilliant.
That's great ad.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's what he did, and he also made a song called Yeezy just jumped over Jumpman when the sales took over Jordan.
Oh, nice.
So the Jordan logo is called the Jumpman logo. So he released a song जिसमें एक line है Yeezy just jumped over Jumpman.
Oh, nice, dude. That song was also in Dhurandhar. Easy. Arre bharat easy. Shut the
I love how we come back to Dhurandhar, guys. It's our roots.
Sara de dil
It's our
se.
roots. But yeah, the Ranveer Singh sneaker is pretty cool. It has like a leopard, a tiger print, black.
Ranveer also has a
Ranveer
shoe
तो has
line.
a
Arcs.
different brand, no? Arcs. उसके sneakers भी बहुत अच्छे हैं, काफी
तेरे पास है?
very well ranged.
तू
Yes.
खरीदेगा रणवीर वाला?
नहीं यार, बहुत मतलब
Is it good? Does it look good?
very good,
Oh,
very
I
good.
think I'll buy it then.
Superstars is one of
Are
my
they good colors?
black with tiger print and tiger print laces.
Okay, I'll check it
रणवीर
out.
स्पॉन्सर कर बे. फ्री का स्पॉन्सरशिप कर.
If
free
you're
का
this super
promotion
you-
कर रहे हैं.
Yeah. So it's a very good sneaker though, no doubts about it. But Superstar is not the most comfortable silhouette of Adidas. So इसलिए मैं I don't go for Superstars.
Alright.
मैं तो चप्पल पहन के आया हूँ गाइस.
मैं भी चप्पल
आप भी
पहन के
चप्पल
आया हूँ
पहनो और खुश रहो.
Dude,
Birkenstocks for
superstars
life.
are the one with जहाँ जो toe पे those lines are there.
Yeah,
no?
yeah,
Dude,
yeah.
they look great.
Bro, they look they are
They're some of the best profiles from Adidas.
exactly,
Yeah.
and it's one of the best selling Adidas sneakers. I
After-
think more than 30 years.
After the Samba.
Samba is also there. Samba
Yeah.
actually made a comeback. Sambas were popular back
Yeah.
then.
Then
they made a comeback. Superstars is basically Adidas version of Nike Air Force.
Sorry guys,
Which has
he's just
been
on his
around.
phone. We should.
I'm checking out what his
Oh, अच्छा.
sneakers look like.
Okay. But anyway, guys, sneaker. I barely knew her. That brings us to the end of this episode of Popcorn. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Hope you
Sorry.
enjoyed all the topics that we talked about today. Any plugs, guys? Please watch That For Me game show. Anything else?
No, I don't have anything.
Please subscribe to the channel, guys.
Please subscribe to the channel. Tell your friends about us.
हाँ, याद रखना 15th में 5,000 subscribers, and we read all the mean
Troll comments.
Top 20 mean comments
Yeah.
we read on
Guys,
the episode.
also I must say, okay, we are the best Bollywood podcast out there.
Yeah.
Okay.
That is true.
Tell your friends about us, man. If they are like at any point they've been or are into movies, Bollywood, Hindi films, etc., songs, this is a podcast for that person. So please tell them about us.
Yes.
They will have a great time and they will thank you. They will आपके पैर पड़ेंगे लोग कि thank you so much for telling me about Pop Conversation on the Filmy Corona YouTube channel, where you can also subscribe to their membership. Alright guys, you will also notice we have your names now. You guys are the supporters and producers of the show. Thank you so much.
ये सिर्फ एडिटर को पता है कि कहाँ पे आ रहे हैं नाम, तो हम बस हर जगह उंगली कर देते हैं.
Editor is God. God is an editor.
तार गिन गिन याद तेरी मैं तो जागा रात रोक ना पावा
ਅੱਖੀਆਂ ਵਿੱਚ
गम दिया
ਬਰਸਾਤਾਂ ਨੂੰ.
अब
Alright
बस
guys, thank you.
Bye bye. See you.